Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, fog lights, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.